This is the road going from Kathmandu to Dhulikhel. On the way, you can see the Kailasnath statue, which is considered to be the second tallest Shiva statue in Asia. And from here, we can see a look of the statue. You can see a landslide area. On the left side of it, you can see the statue. Nepal is a highly religious country and it is blessed with a lot of natural beauties. There is a bridge connecting between this mountain to the other mountain. It is a sky bridge made up of steel. This is the way to go to the statue area. It is not a tar road. You have to walk from here. There is a cut road from here, and I use this path to go to the statue. Marvelous nature and cute people are the characteristics of Nepal. As I am coming from India, it is really like being in a small heaven.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्.
Now I am at Kailasnath Mahadev statue, the second in the world, the tallest Shiva statue. At least in Asia, it is second. I heard like that. This is an undertaking by Hilltake Group. This is founded by Kamal Jain, and he started this work in 2003 and finished by 2010, and then they opened it in 2011. And this is a statue of 44-meter height, 100 feet foundation. Then this statue is built up of concrete and steel and zinc and copper. This is considered by one Indian engineer and along with other Nepalese engineers. This is one of the main attraction of religious tourism in Nepal, and the place is called Sangha. This is dedicated to the Lord Shiva, and there is a sky bridge from connecting this temple to the other side of the mountain. you.